In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your eMoToro password. Let's get started by logging in. First, open the eMoToro app on your mobile device or head over to the eMo website on your computer. Once there, sign into your account with your current credentials. Take a moment to ensure you're entering your username and password correctly. This step is crucial to access your account smoothly. Once you're logged in, the next thing you'll want to do is navigate to the settings. Look for the profile icon, usually found in the upper corner of the screen. Tap on it. This will bring up a menu where you can select settings. Entering the settings menu allows you to control various aspects of your account. It's the gateway to customizing and securing your experience on the platform. From the settings menu, you'll need to open your account settings. To do this, click on the Account tab. Once you're in the Account section, find the Password area. This section is dedicated to changing and managing your password. It's important because keeping your password up to date is one of the best ways to protect your account from unauthorized access. Now, you'll see the option to change your password. Tap on Change Password to proceed. This step is important because it's the action that allows you to update your login details. It's a simple yet crucial step to ensure your account's ongoing security. With that ready, you'll need to enter your current password. Type your old password into the designated field. This is a security measure to confirm that you're authorized to make changes. By entering your current password, you're verifying your identity before proceeding with the update. After entering your old password, it's time to set your new password. Here, you'll want to choose a strong password that you haven't used before. A strong password typically includes a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. Once you've decided on a new password, type it into the new password field. Then confirm it by typing it again in the confirmation field. This double entry ensures there are no mistakes in your new password. Remember, a strong password is your first line of defense against unauthorized access. Finally, with your new password entered and confirmed, it's time to save your changes. Look for the Submit or Save button. Click it to finalize the update. After clicking, wait for a confirmation message to appear. This message lets you know that your new password has been successfully saved. Seeing this confirmation message is important as it reassures you that your account is now protected by your updated password. And there you have it. You've successfully changed your eMoToro password. Regularly updating your password is a simple yet effective way to maintain your account security. Thank you for following along with this video. Remember to keep your password safe and secure. Until next time, take care and happy trading.